Hi guys, it's Vvs Diamond, your resident unicorn, and I've got my friend Uni here with me, my trusty steed. I just wanted to come to you guys right quick to let you know that I'm going to be changing up my format a little bit. I'm still going to be doing unboxings, but I wanted to do something a little different just to see how it would go. I love fashion. I love purchasing things. Of course, I collect things, but I love purchasing things also that are fashion oriented or whatnot. So I thought I would do a little series that I would like to call the Budget Fashionista, where I find some things that I purchase off of like Amazon, maybe AliExpress, maybe some different places, and I do an unboxing on it so that you guys can see some things out there that are very fashionable and very posh. However, they don't cost an arm and a leg, because I don't know about you, but I don't have an arm and a leg to give. And I'm on a budget. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do a series on that. I'm still going to be doing the regular unboxings, so you can come back and check me out on that. So of course, go ahead and subscribe, set up notifications, and give me a like. But I'm going to still be doing the regular unboxings, but I'm going to be doing a series called the Budget Fashionista, and I want you guys to check it out and let me know if you like it better, if you don't like it, or if there's something that you want me to purchase and do an unboxing review on, so that you'll see if you want to purchase it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single view, every single like. I appreciate every single one of them. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and of course Uni here appreciates it too. I appreciate it as a unicorn. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to watch. Subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and turn on your notifications. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.